Good morning, children. So yesterday we had a discussion about the poem The Voice of Rain. It was in detail explained to you. Now we are heading towards the question answers of the same. The first question is, there are two voices in the poem. Why do they belong to? Who do they belong to? Which lines indicate this? The poem Voice of Rain presents a dialogue between the poet and the rain itself. In this poem, the poet asks rain who it is. The poet gets an answer as the rain itself gives its introduction. Here, the two voices in the poem are those of rain and the poet. These are in the poet's voice, and who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, and in the voice of rain, and I am the foam of the earth, said the voice of the rain. So आपको पता ही है, there is a dialogue between the poet and the rain. What does the phrase "strain to tell" means? The phrase expresses the poet's surprise at the rain's ability to reply and use words. The belief is that rain can't speak like living beings. The poet believes that the readers also find it surprising and weird that the rain should speak and answer the poet's question. So, but आपको पता ही है, the rain has been personified and it is giving the answers of the questions asked by the poet. Third question is, there is a parallel drawn between the poet and music. Which words indicate this? Explain the similarity between the two. The last two lines of the poem in bracket indicate the parallel drawn between the rain and the music. Here it is called song, as a song always has music associated with it. In these lines, the poet observes that life cycle of rain and a song are like. The song issues from the singer and travels to reach others. It wanders, and whether heard and enjoyed or not, eventually returns to the creator with all duly love. Similarly, the rain originates from earth, and after fulfilling its role of the spreading beauty and purity, return to its origin. Both are perpetual in nature. Moreover, the sound of the soft falling rain is in itself a kind of music. Fine, beta. So noticed or not unnoticed, the rain is doing her services. Fourth question is, how is the cyclic movement of rain brought out in the poem? Compare it with what you have learned in silence. In the poem, water rises from the land and the bottomless sea to reach the sky. There it transforms itself into vague transformations of cloud, different in their structures than the water from which they originated. After wandering, these clouds descend to earth in the form of rain to provide relief to the drought-ridden areas and infuse life to unborn and latent seeds. The rain gives earth beauty and purity. In science, we learn the cyclic process of rain using terms like evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, flowing rivers, groundwater, ocean water, etc. While in the poem, the same process becomes interesting and unusual. The rain speaks itself to describe its course. Thus, both what is given in the poem and what we learn in science are similar. What are the last two lines why are the last two lines put within brackets? The last two lines of the poem have been put within brackets as they don't form any part of the conversation between the poet and the rain. So, but there is no dialogues going on between last two lines. The lines in the bracket indicate the reflection, observation and thought of the poem. Fine. तो इसमें क्या बता रहे हैं वो? Observation, thoughts of the poem and observation and thoughts of the poet. He makes observation about the life course of a song and draws similarity between the life cycle of a song and the rain. List the pair of words opposite found in the poem. So the pairs of opposites are rise, descend, day, night, wrecked, unwrecked. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shore. The voice of the rain answered, saying that it was the poem of the earth. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. The voice of the rain explained its upward movement towards the sky as eternal, for song duly with love returns. The poet says that similar to the rain, a song starts from the heart of the singer, travels to reach others, and after fulfilling its purpose, whether cared or not, return to the singer with all love due. So whether noticed or not noticed, whether she is loved or not, right? So rain returns to the singer with all due love. These were the question answers, textbook questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.